Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Facts with Usama Khan. JP and Rice introduced the video, welcoming viewers and encouraging them to subscribe. They playfully tease each other before revealing the main event. The arrival of their 1 million subscriber plaque from YouTube. The family unboxes their 1 million subscriber plaque. They express their gratitude and excitement, although they initially thought it would be larger, especially considering they are close to reaching 10 million subscribers. They read the inscription on the plaque, which congratulates them on their achievement and acknowledges the community they've built. JP and K engage in a basketball shooting competition. They set the rules and playfully argue about points and cheating. The game is lighthearted, with commentary and banter between the family members. During the basketball game, Rice notices a drone flying nearby. The family becomes concerned and speculates about who might be operating it and why. They discuss the possibility of it being a stalker, or even the police, and they try to figure out where it went. The family researches what it means when a drone follows someone, finding articles about surveillance and tracking. They consider the possibility of stalkers or overly enthusiastic fans being behind the drone. JP suggests getting their own drone to monitor the situation. Rice expresses her fear and concern about the drone, feeling it's a significant invasion of their privacy. She recalls a previous incident at their gate, adding to her unease. They discuss the possibility of the drone trying to look into their windows. The family decides to keep Zeely close for safety and discusses precautions. JP goes to check the perimeter while Rice stays behind, worried and shaken by the incident. She expresses her frustration and fear, feeling like they can't catch a break. Rice ends the video, expressing her disappointment and concern over the drone incident. She highlights the invasion of privacy and promises to update viewers in the next video. She encourages viewers to like, comment, share, and subscribe.